Hello guys! Ang video na ito ay isang maliit na segment lamang ng mas mahabang video kung saan ang link ay ilalagay ko sa description at dito ipinapaliwanag namin kung bakit Rome ang napagpasyahan naming puntahan after naming maging Canadian citizen. So here you go guys! I hope you enjoy! Hi! Thank you Lord! We are here! Thank you, Lord.
Hi, Daddy.
You wanna tell them why this is our first time going outside of Canada and we went to Rome?
Yes, to fulfill our promise.
So guys, nung bago-bago lang kami sa Canada, we made a promise na
No, in Qatar.
nung bago-bago tayo dito sa Canada.
No, nasa Qatar pa lang tayo. We want
Okay.
to go to Vatican.
Yeah, she's correct.
Niyayaya tayo ng kaibigan ko. Sabi natin, yes, pero nagdalawang isip tayo kasi nga, may plan tayong pumunta dito sa Canada. Tapos sabi natin, oh sige, pagka na lang nakapunta tayo dito sa Canada, ang first travel natin outside Canada is dito sa Vatican.
Okay.
Canada
So after
muna.
7 years, we have fulfilled that promise. And
Yes.
I never told me.
yeah,
No,
so
no,
our
no.
first country travel outside of
Outside
Canada
Canada.
is Rome.
Next.
Yeah. There you go guys. I hope nag-enjoy kayo dun sa paliwanag namin. And if you don't mind, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, click the notification bell, and share this video with your friends na rin. And also drop your comments na rin kasi nakakatulong yung mga comment nyo para i-promote ni YouTube yung video natin. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa susunod. Bye!